I'm Suzanne Kasler from Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm here in my design studio in Atlanta, Georgia. One of the big trends that we started seeing even before COVID was this whole focus on what I call back of house. It has become more and more important for people to start building and renovating their homes. And I will give you examples of how this really works and how, as a designer, we bring such value to our clients when we're in the design process. And this is before we even start decorating. One of the things that has started happening early on is the mudroom. How do you want to function for your family? Do you have little children that we want to have lockers built in? We were doing a house in Beaver Creek, and we have big ski lockers and tons of hooks. And we just finished a beach house, and everyone throws their flip-flops and towels in different baskets. And then in the city, everyone's trying to find a place for their dog. So often we'll do a Dutch door in the mudroom until they get their paws cleaned. So I think it just depends on where you are. I always call it a sense of place. It can end up helping with this multi-purpose room, so the mudroom ends up being so important. But now let's talk about the kitchen. Everyone is hanging out in the kitchen, and we all need kind of extra places so that everyone can end up there. It ends up the kitchen is really more part of the family room. It's no longer the kitchen. And then they're all about the closets. Everything is about the closet today. You start your day in the closet and you end your day in the closet. And people are really wanting their lives organized so that they can have the busy schedule that they're keeping. So we have been doing these amazing closets. And the big thing that I have to stress as a designer when we start our projects is making sure there's enough space allocated for them. In addition to these rooms in the inside, we go to the outside. And as we're designing or renovating, we're really focusing on the garage space today. A lot of times connecting those to the exterior to be used as entertainment space. We actually had our daughter's wedding, and the garage ended up being a key part of the background for the entire wedding. So again, it's part of this whole design process. And talking about design is not about just decorating. It's really about how we live.